Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to another one of my videos, and this time with my own voice. And I should mention that English is not my native language, so I hope I pronounced the word correctly and you understand what I'm saying. As you can see, I fixed my papers with a few paper prints because I don't plan to use water or watercolor. After that, I started sketching guidelines with a light pencil. It's really easier for beginners to start with a pencil sketch and draw every line they see to add more details. I usually find most of my sketch subjects on Pinterest and choose the ones with more details. It's important for me to capture the details of the image based on the scale of my work, but I don't focus too much on the precise proportions of objects. Now, I'm using an old brand of fine liner, brown umber instead of black, to darken the pencil guidelines. This fine liner is a water-based, so I can't use watercolor after finishing the sketch. As you saw in the previous video, I like to record my tutorials in a calm space under direct sunlight. And if you're curious about where I am right now, I should say that I'm in a 70-year-old house that has been uninhabited for a long time. Sorry, because I don't know anything about Chinese calligraphy, and I can only write shapes resembling Chinese characters under the frames. Okay, let's listen to the soothing sound of the pen and paper meeting at the same time. try to make better video each time, and I hope you subscribe, like this video, and stay with me. There is a cute little cat sculpture in the picture that I'm trying to sketch, but since my work scale is very small, it appears larger. To draw the wood texture, I draw multiple ovals in a row, like the pattern of the wood grain. And of course, I might mess up somewhere. Okay, the next step is simple rendering with a marker. Here, you need to know which areas to darken. For example, I definitely darken the main entrance frame here to make it bold. And I darken this area to show that it's further back. And the shadow. I uploaded 2 time-lapse videos before this one. You can use them for inspiration for rendering your future sketches. The interior spaces, or perhaps the windows, are parts that I darken to show depth. This line that I draw with the widest tip of the marker is called the ground line. And I always draw a vertical line similar to the ground line next to the building, and I call it the holding line. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the result, and I encourage you to design your own buildings and share them with me. If you like this design, be sure to like this video and stay with me. Thank you to all of you.